Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to unbox the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro. Let's see what Apple has in store for us this time. So here is the sleek, minimalist packaging. Apple has maintained its signature design. Now at the back here, you'll be able to find the ME number, serial number. And at the top and at the bottom, it is sealed with this tab so we can pull it to open, and at the bottom here as well we can peel it back to open it. And as soon as you peel that, the box will allow you to open and you'll be able to find your iPhone 16 Pro facing downwards. Okay, so here I'm going to pull out the iPhone. It has a paper cover on the screen, and here I'm just gonna peel it out. Feeling the phone is quite heavy. And here we have a braided charging cable. And also we have the SIM pin in here as well. So this is the USB-C to USB-C. So that is the charging cable right there. I don't need to open it. I'm not using this cable today. So I'm just going to put it back in. Okay, so that is the cable right there. And this is the phone here. Inside there is nothing else. It's very minimal. Just the phone and a charging cable only. The iPhone 16 Pro takes the premium design to the next level, offering a stunning combination of elegance and durability. One of the most striking updates is the switch to Grade 5 titanium frame, replacing the stainless steel from the previous model. This titanium finish not only looks incredibly sleek, but also makes the phone lighter and more resistant to scratches and damage, all while maintaining that high-end feel. Now moving to the back of the phone, now the texture is a matte glass panel, adds to the overall luxurious feel of the device. It not only feels smooth in hand, but also does a great job at minimizing fingerprints. Plus, the glass is as durable as it is beautiful, offering protection against everyday wear and tear while giving off a sophisticated, glossy look. The phone definitely feels very solid and balanced when holding in the hand, with carefully rounded edges, making it comfortable to hold for long periods of time. Now Apple has clearly focused on crafting a device that looks as good as it can perform, blending Grade 5 titanium and glass into a design that feels premium from every angle. Now on the side of the phone here, you will notice there is an extra button, the camera button, just below the power button. This camera button will allow you to quickly access the camera, along with allow you to quickly activate the camera. There are several other functions that has been assigned to the button, such as if you press on it once, it will open up certain functions, and if you press on it twice, it will allow you to change certain features in the camera, such as zooming in, zooming out, or allowing you to change the depth, exposure, and style of the camera. So there are various functions to this camera button, depending if you press it once or twice, or if you long press on it or not. The volume button still stays the same on the left hand side of the device, and you got your SIM card tray just below the center of the phone on the left hand side. And at the back here we got the triple cameras, similar to the previous design on the iPhone 15 Pro. So what is inside of this beautiful case? Inside you have a display. On top you have a display, 6.3 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology. And as for CPU processor, you'll get A17 Bionic chip. For RAM, there will be 6GB or 8GB of RAM. In terms of storage, you have the option to purchase a 128GB, 256, 512GB or 1TB storage options. At the back, you have a triple camera system with the largest is 48 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor with 3 times optical zoom. And for battery, it can last up to 25 hours of video playback. Here we can press on the power button to activate this iPhone for the first time, and there it is. When you press and hold on the button for a second or two, the phone will boot up with an Apple logo. Here I will try to set up so that it will quickly go to the main home screen without setting up all the accounts. So we just want to quickly have a look at the phone without having need to do a lot of setup. So here I will set up without another device. Here will ask me to choose a Wi-Fi. So let's see if I can try to set up without Wi-Fi at all. In the past, you'll be able to set up without Wi-Fi. Here, it asks you to connect to Wi-Fi, so I guess I need to connect it to a Wi-Fi. Okay, so put in your Wi-Fi password and tap on the join button. And here, it will attempt to activate your iPhone. Once the phone gets activated, your warranty will get started. So from today into the next 12 months, you have your phone warranty under Apple warranted. Depending on the country that you are in certain country, under consumer law, you can actually get a 2 years warranty. So in addition to 1 year Apple warranty, you also have your local warranty as well. Here I will tap on the continue button, then set up for myself, then I'll set up Face ID later. I'll tap on passcode options and then choose don't use passcode. Then I tap on don't use passcode. And here don't transfer anything. Here ask me for my Apple account. I will select forgot password and set up later in settings, don't use. And then agree. And then continued. So here it asks only download automatically or continued. So I'll tap on not now. Set up later for location services. And here I'll set up later again, don't share, continue in light mode, and silent mode, I'll tap on continued. And here, not now, I want to customize it now. Tap on continued, set up later, continued, and swipe up. Now we are up to the home screen, so as I said before, we can press on this button to quickly launch the camera. So I set up later in here. So when you double press on it, you can see there is a small notch coming out at the top. And depending on if you long press or short press, it will have different function. And here, if you press it gentle, like half press, then it will have a different menu here, allowing you to zoom in or zoom out on the camera. So that is the camera button right there. In terms of software, the phone is absolutely very fast. You can see I can swipe across. There's no lagging at all. I can launch the Photos app, and here you can see how fast your phone responds. Everything just seems so smooth and so fast. And that's it. So that is the iPhone 16 Pro. I'm sure if you get one, you have time to play around and you will enjoy this device very much. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.